This sales hack's going to save you a lot of time, and it'll probably make you, I don't know, $75,000, $150,000 before the year is up. Stop checking in with your prospects. Never, ever, 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 ever again check in with your prospects. Here's what I want you to do. Starting right now, every time you talk to somebody, I want you to be NSO, next step obsessed, meaning, what's a good next step? I don't know. What's a good next step for me? I'm not sure. I just need to think about it. Perfect. I'll call you Friday at 4:30 if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? When you constantly set that next step and both parties know what's going to happen next, you can then have that call starting with these two magical words. As promised. As promised, I'm calling to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement. As promised, I'm calling to see if it makes sense to schedule that demo we talked about. When you can pivot from checking in to as promised, you are going to be somebody with authority, efficiency, and credibility, and a lot more people are going to do business with you a lot sooner. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.